I used to clean my floor with these. Yeah, they're mops, thing of the past. Wait till you see what I got. No more with these. Let's go. Received this from a company called UWANT, and it's a cordless wet dry vacuum. Now I'm excited to be reviewing this because I have 5 dogs, a 2-year-old, 2 16-year-olds, and we have a lot of floor to cover. Looking at this product, there's a lot to offer. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box, see what's inside it, set it up, use it, and see what it's all about. What do you think about that? Here we go.
UWANT D100 at your service. Smart mode. Start cleaning.
Therapy. It really is. It's not like a mop or sponging and doing that. It's just simple. It gets everywhere you want it to go. It's nice and light. It's easy to use. So this thing dries so it doesn't produce bacteria or mold. Comparing it to other products like this one thing I did notice about this one is how I can lay it all the way flat to get it underneath my coffee table. That's something where the other products I've used don't do. I like the comfort of it. I like how the handle, breaks loose where you can have a bunch of free, like the whole mechanism itself is just so easy to maneuver and move with your wrist. If you guys are interested in this, see the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think Leo wants to go night-night. Come on, Leo. You're such a good boy. See you guys later. Bye-bye.